Hi gardeners, this is another episode of Barlow's TV, your local landscape and garden resource. I'm Stephen Barlow here in the vegetable garden to give you guys some tips on planting your cool season vegetables. So this is the time of year to get out in your garden and start to plant your cool season vegetables. It's the beginning of April and it's a perfect time of year. You have really cool night temperatures and the warm days of the hot summer hasn't hit us. So what I have here in my garden, I've got Rainey helping me dig and cultivate the soil. So what we have here is I've already turned my soil over, but I have a nice sandy loam soil. I put a lot of organics back in here, so I'm not too concerned about fertilizing it this time of year. I will like to turn my soil over though with like a spade or some type of shovel or something like that. Then I'm gonna plant my cool season vegetables. When I talk about cool season vegetables, I mean my lettuce, my broccoli, my spinach, my snow peas, all of those that like the cool nights and warm days that just don't really do really well around here in July and August. I'm also gonna start to plant my carrots, my beets, and my radishes. Now these are the ones that I'm gonna direct seed right into my garden because they're really hard to grow in these packs and stuff, and you do wanna direct seed them into your garden. The other thing I'm gonna do in my garden is I'm definitely gonna put some lime in it. Our pH of our water when it rains naturally makes the soil acidic. So I want to raise that pH up right around to 6.5 because that makes the soil have the optimal nutrients available for the roots of the plant. So if my pH is too low, then certain nutrients are not going to be available. So I'm going to get working on planting my vegetable garden. I hope you guys get out there and do it this weekend too, because once again, this is a great time of year to do it. So thanks so much for watching this episode and have a great day.